Class, our lesson for today is about identifying lines. We have the different kinds of lines. First, we have vertical line, horizontal line, left diagonal, right diagonal, and zigzag. We also have this thin lines, thick lines, broken lines, and dotted lines. Let us discuss this one by one. But before that, let me know if you already know these lines. Okay? Can you draw a vertical line on the board? Zion, can you do that? Okay, draw a vertical line on the board. Can you show us what a vertical line is? How does a vertical line look like? Or look like? Can you show it to me? Yes? Anyone from the group? Can you show me what a vertical line is? Yes, Dwayne. Come here, Dwayne. Yes? Okay, go. What is the name of this vertical line? Oh, is this answer correct? Yes. Exactly. This is how a vertical line looks like. Okay? How about a horizontal line? Can you show it to me? Yes. What's your name? Ian. Okay, Ian, go. Oh, is that an example of horizontal line? Yes, correct. Okay, you got it. How about left